Hello student, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. In the last video, we had discussed about WordPad part 1. We also had learned how can you start your WordPad, what is title bar, quick access toolbar, tabs, insertion point, and how can you enter a text in a WordPad. Today, we will learn how can you open a saved document. So let's start with opening a saved document. Dear student, to open a document that has already been saved, you have to follow these steps. First, click on the File tab. Then, click on Open. The Open dialog box will be appear. Click on the name of the file that you want to open. Then click on Open. The file opens in the WordPad window. The shortcut keys to open a document is Ctrl plus O. What is the shortcut key? Ctrl plus O. So if you want to open any document, so you can use a shortcut key Ctrl plus O. Then select your file and then press enter. Okay. Next is selecting text in a document. So before performing any task in WordPad, you must select the text you want to work with. Selected text appear highlighted on your screen. As you can see here, I select this sentence. So when we select a line, it will be highlighted on your screen. Selecting a word. Double click on a word to select it. If you want to select any word, to just double click on the word to select it. If you want to select a line, single click on the white space to the left of the line to select that line. Here I select a line. How to select a paragraph? So if you want to select a paragraph, then triple click on the paragraph which you want to select it. As you can see here, this is a paragraph, a small paragraph, and if I want to select a paragraph, then triple click on a paragraph. Triple click, we can select a paragraph. Single click, we can select a line. Double click, we can select a word. The next is bold, italic, or underline the text. So if you want to bold your text, you can just follow some step. You can bold, italic, or underline text to information in your document. Select the text for a new style. Click on Home tab. Where is Home tab? Yes. Then click on the following option. So if you want to use this option, B means bold, I for italic, and U for underline the text. So if you want to bold your text, press the B. If you want to italic your text, just press I, and if you want to underline your text, you can press U. So in this example, you can see here at the last, I use B, means bold. Okay, now tell me, what is the shortcut command to bold a text? Yes, Control plus B. Control plus I is a shortcut command to italic your text, and if you want to underline your text through shortcut keys, you can just press Control plus U. Now, changing the font of text. You can enhance the appearance of your document by changing the font of the text. Now, you can say here, select the text you want to change to a new font. Click on the Home tab. Click on Font to display a list of font. As you can see, the selected text changed to a new font. So if you want to deselect your text, click outside the selected area. So these are the shortcut command to bold your text, italic and underline. Now changing the font size of the text. You can also increase or decrease the size of the text in your document. Click on the Home tab. Click on Font Size to display a list of font size. Then click on the desired size. So here I choose a 12 size. So if you want to increase your text, then you will be select 24, 36, 72. Okay. So this was all about the WordPad. If you want to exit your WordPad after finishing your work, you can exit from it. How can you exit? Yes, just click on exit button. WordPad will exit from your computer. So this was all about the WordPad. In our next video, you will learn how to start a logo.